Hey there. Welcome to this exciting video about traveling to Thailand. Get ready for an adventure like no other as we explore the beautiful cities and destinations this amazing country has to offer. So, let's dive right in and discover the wonders of Thailand. First things first, it's important to plan your video ahead of time. Think about the type of video you want to create, who your audience is, and where you plan to share it. This will help you determine the best equipment to use and how much footage you'll need. Thailand is filled with incredible cities and destinations, each with its own unique charm. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the serene beauty of Chiang Mai, the stunning beaches of Phuket, the breathtaking landscapes of Krabi, and the tropical paradise of Koh Samui, there's something for everyone. Now let's capture some amazing footage. Show off the stunning beaches, the magnificent temples, the vibrant markets, and the lively nightlife. Don't forget to immerse yourself in the local culture and traditions. Thailand is a country full of rich history and fascinating customs. But what if you're missing some footage? No worries. AI tools like Visla and Pictory can help fill in those gaps. They can suggest additional footage and provide extra B-roll to enhance your video and make it even more visually captivating. To keep things organized, sort and categorize your footage by city and activity. This will make the editing process much smoother and ensure that your video flows seamlessly from one scene to the next. Speaking of editing, let's bring it all together. Use AI video editing tools like FlexClip to add transitions, music, and voiceover. Make your video engaging and tell a captivating story that will keep your viewers hooked from start to finish. Once you're done editing, it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. Publish your video on YouTube and other social media platforms. Share it with your friends and family and encourage them to spread the word. By following these steps, you'll create a detailed and engaging video that will transport your viewers to the enchanting land of Thailand.